Unit 5 test. Number 1. What scale factor was used to transform ABCD to create shape WXYZ? This is my original, this is my new. ABCD, original, and my new shape. What is the scale factor for that in the equation form? Number 2. Use this algebraic rule. XY becomes 0.25x, 0.25y to create a new triangle. Which of the following points is the location of B prime? We have A, B, C. What will be B prime using the rule 0.25x, 0.25y? Number 3. Which of the following rules will be a reduction? A, xy becomes 1/2 x, 1/2 y. B, xy becomes 4/3x, 4/3y. Or C, xy becomes 7/10x, 7/10y. Is it A and B only? B, which is A and C only? C, all of them? Or D, none of them? What are the reductions? Number 4. Polygon QRST below is dilated by a scale factor of 9/5 to create polygon QRST prime. What is the new length in centimeters of RS? What is the new RS prime? Number 5. Quadrilateral SOAP was dilated to form quadrilateral DISH, which is my new shape. Which number best represents the scale factor used to create quadrilateral SOAP, which is the old, into DISH, which is the new? What is the scale factor? Number 6. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar. Which equation must be true using this information? Number 7. Parallelogram ABCD is similar to parallelogram ABCD prime. What can you correctly tell about the corresponding or matching sides of both figures? So the matching sides, what do you know about the sides? The sides. A, the corresponding sides are congruent. B, the corresponding sides are equal. C, the corresponding sides are proportional. Or D, the corresponding sides are non-proportional. Number 8. The following table contains points that lie on the same line. What are the slope and y-intercept of this table? Number 9. Circle 1 is the old, was dilated with the origin as the center of dilation to create circle 2, the new one. Which rule is used for this dilation? Old and new. Which of these rules goes with that? Number 10. Figure S, which is old, the small arrow, right here, was dilated with the origin as the center of dilation to create figure T, the new large arrow. Old, new. Which rule best shows the dilation of figure S, the old, to create figure T, the new? Number 11. Figure ABCDE is similar to figure VWXYZ. So this is similar to that. Using this information, which proportion must be true? Number 12. Triangle MNP is graphed on the coordinate grid with vertices of M, which is -3, -6, N, 0, 3, and P, 6, -3. Triangle MNP is dilated by a scale factor of U, so not a number, just the letter U, to create triangle MNP prime. Which ordered pair represents the coordinates of P prime? I'm looking for P prime. Is it A, 6 plus U, comma, -3 plus U? B, 6 over U, comma, 3 divided by U? C, 6 plus 1 divided by U, comma, -3 plus 1 divided by U? Or D, 6U, comma, -3U? Remember your rules on how do you know the algebraic expression. Number 13. What value of x makes this equation true? 4x plus 30 equals 6x plus 25. And the last problem. Pentagon MNPQR is shown on the coordinate grid. Pentagon MNPQR is dilated with the origin as the center of dilation. Using the rule xy becomes 1/4 x, 1/4 y to create polygon MNPQ prime. Which statement is true? Pentagon MNPQR prime, the new prime one, is larger than the pentagon because the scale factor is greater than 1. Is that greater than 1? G, pentagon new prime is smaller than the pentagon MNPQR because the scale factor is less than 1. H, pentagon MNPQR prime is smaller than pentagon MNPQR because the scale factor is greater than 1. Or J, pentagon MNPQR prime is larger than pentagon MNPQR because the scale factor is less than 1. So notice, is this greater or less than 1? And then what happens? You have this right here, this shape, multiply by that to get the new prime.